Okay. Good morning, students. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the running notes, children. Okay. Today I am not explaining from textbook. I am going to now explaining this to Roman numbers topic. Okay. Now I am going to explain Roman numbers. In worksheet 3 days, that one only given. Okay. Some are students have doubts in worksheet about Roman numbers. So now I will clarify that doubts. In previous classes, the topic you don't have. That's why you have doubts. Okay, now I will clarify, children. First of all, on your videos and sit properly. Take out the running notes. Okay. Roman numbers are Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numbers are Roman numerals. um, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers are natural numbers, and from 1 to infinity numbers are counting numbers, and we can call Hindu Arabic numbers also. Okay, these numbers are called Hindu Arabic numbers. Next, in Roman Empire was find out the Roman numerals. These only 7 letters in from English letters, 7 English letters, they find out the Roman numbers. We already from previous classes we are using Roman numbers. Okay, in a textbook, bits numbers. We have to observe bits numbers. One, first bit, second bit, third bit, I, double I, and triple I. We have to observe. Okay, these are Roman numbers. Now, which alphabets are Roman numbers? Now I will say, just listen. Roman numbers. Next, this is Hindu Arabic numbers. This here, Roman numbers I. First, I for 1. I is in Roman number. Next, in Indo-Arabic numbers, I equal to, represent 1. Next, V represent 5. Okay, V represent 5. Next, X. In Roman numbers, X letter represent in Indo-Arabic numbers 10. And next, L 50. Next, C 100. Next, D 500. Next, M 1000. Okay, here Roman numbers I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These letters, these 7 letters we have to use, and we can write so many Roman numerals. Okay, thus Roman numerals equivalent to Hindu Arabic numbers. Which Hindu Arabic numbers? I equal to 1, V equal to 5, X equal to 10, next L equal to 50, C equal to 100, and D represent 500. and M represent 1000. Okay, these are Roman numbers. These are Indo-Arabic numbers. From these Roman numbers, we can write so many Roman numbers. Okay, in Roman numbers, we cannot say zero. Okay, zero not having in Roman numbers. And next, but in Indo-Arabic numbers, zero also have. Okay, so in 10, zero is there, and 50, zero is there, and 100, two zeros are there, and 500, two zeros are, and 1000, three zeros are there. We are introducing in Indo-Arabic numbers zero, but in Roman numbers we did not introduce zero. Okay, because of the Roman numbers zero not have. That's why. Next, in Roman numbers, place values also not have. Okay, in Roman numbers, place values also not have. Just only Roman numerals. These from 7 letters we can write so many Roman numbers. How can we write Roman numbers? Now I will explain what are rules for Roman numbers. Now I will say, children. Okay. First I am writing Roman numbers. Okay. Just how can we write Roman numbers? Now I am saying. First Roman numbers write down. First 1 equal I. Next 2 equal I. Next 3 represent I. Okay. Next 4 represent IV. 4 represent IV. Next 5 represent V. Okay. Next 6 represent VI. Next 7 VII. Next 8 VIII. Next 9 represent IX. Next 10 represent X. X equal to 10. X equal to 10. Next XI 11. XII 12. Next XIII 13. XIV 14. Next XV 15. XVI 16. XVII 17. XVIII 18. XIX 19. In third class. XX 20. And next XXX 30. XL 40. XL means 40 children. Next L represent 50. Next LX represent 60. LXX represent 70. Next LXXX represent 80. Next XC 90. Okay, XC represent 90. Next C represent 100. CX represent 110. Now we can write 120, 130, 140, 150, 160 and 170, 180, 190. How can we write? We know already. Because of here 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 is there here. Okay, so we can write. Akshaya, listen first. Kale Akshaya, listen to me. Don't write, children. First look at the board and listen. And next, C 200. C 300. Next CD represent 400. Okay, CD represent 400. Next, D represent 500. D, C represent 600. Next, D, C represent 700. Next, D, C represent 800. Next, C, M represent 900. Next, M represent 1000. Okay. Next one, how can we write? We know 1100, 1200 because we know already 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. How can we write? We know. Same as it is, we can write from next 1000 numbers. Okay. Now we have to learn up to 1000 only, children. Okay, up to 1000 only we can learn these numbers. Now first, once you observe here, I represent 1, I represent 2, I represent 3, we represent 4, we represent 5, next I represent 6, I represent 7, next I represent 8, next I represent 9, X represent 10, XI represent 11, I represent 12, I represent 13, XIV 14, XV 15, XVI 16, XVI 17, XVI 18, next XIX 19, XX 20, next triple X 30, XL 40, L 50, LX 60, L double X 70, L triple X 80, XC 90, C 100, CX 110, next 120, remaining one you can write very easily. Okay, next double C 200, triple C 300, CD 400, next D 500, DC 600, D double C 700, D triple C 800, next CM 900, M 1000, next MC 1100. Okay, these are Roman numbers, these are Roman numerals. First you have to learn these one, children. From these one only, I think day 2, day 3, day 4 have. Okay, day 2, day 3, day 4. Some are completed already, but some children have doubt. That's why I said now these one. Next, once take out the worksheet and page number 4, LLX. LLX, Kaleraksha, you sent one message, girl. LLX you sent na. Okay, L is not repeated, children. L, next V, next D. We cannot repeat first. You written double time there. Kaleraksha written LLX. L cannot repeat it. Cannot repeat it. Only here you observe, children. Once you observe, here in these numbers, from these numbers, once you observe, you already you have idea. What idea here? I repeated. Okay, I only 3 times repeated. More than 3 times not repeated, children. Here I, double I, triple I. Okay. Next, enough. Only 3 times only repeated. I 3 times. Next, X also 3 times repeated. Once you observe here. X, X. Okay, X also repeated. Only X repeated. Okay, in day 3 have. Okay, I will see. Wait a minute. I will see. But first, what I am explaining, you listen, children. In middle of the class, you sending some messages. I am disturbing first. After total class, when I am explaining completed after, you send me messages and you ask me doubts. Okay? Don't raise your hand now and don't ask first, children. some explanation completed after. Now I will ask. What if you have any doubt? Then you ask. I will say. Then only you ask. Okay. You don't disturb to me first. First, here once you observe children, already you have one idea. What are Roman numbers? Some letters are repeating, but some letters are not repeating. Once you observe here, D is not repeated here. Next, L also not repeated. Here in these numbers, L also not repeated. Next, in these numbers, V also not repeated. Okay, V, L and D are used only once, not repeated. Okay, next, I, X, C, M. I, X. I repeated only 3 times. More than 3 times not repeated. These alphabets also. I, X, C, M. I, X, C, M. These are repeated only 3 times. More than 3 times. These one also not repeated. I, triple I. Enough. Next, triple X. Next, triple C. Triple C. Next, triple M also will come. Okay. X, C, M. X, C, M. These are repeating. I, X, C, M. These Roman numbers are repeating. But next, L, V, D. These Roman numbers are not repeated. Only we have to use only once, children. Next, here, yes, triple M equal 3000. Next here, IV. Smaller number which are added are always written to the right of the greater number. Okay. See here. VI. Smaller numbers which are added. VI. 5 plus 1. 6. Yes. VI means, V means 5. V represent 5. I represent 1. V plus I means 6. No, 5 plus 1. 6. Smaller numbers which are added are always written to the right of the greater number. Here VI. Next V double I. V means 5. Next I 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. Okay. Always we have to write from right side of the greater number. Okay. Next, when we subtract it, we have to write from left side of the greater number. Left side. Here, once you observe. These are Roman numbers. Rules, children. Rules. These are rules. We cannot repeat it more than 3 times. I, X, C, M. Next, L, B, D. We cannot repeat it. Only we have to write once only. Next, from right side of the greater number, we have to write. Then, when we write to add the number. When we subtract the number, we can write left side of the greater number. Here, IV means 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. These rules also given in day 3. Once you see, day 1. In day 1, Roman numbers given and what are rules also given. Here, once you observe here, rules also given. Rule 1, I, X, C and M are represented maximum 3 times. Only 3 times only we will write it. More than 3 times we cannot write it. For examples also here given. Next, rule 2. If the symbol of the right has lesser than value than symbol of the left, then add the 2 symbols to get the numeral XV. We have to write from right side. Then we have to add. XV means 10 plus 5, 15. Like that. Next, rule 3. If the symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of greater value. Left of the number means these one. This is left side. When we write left side, we subtract it. Next, from right side, we write added. Greater number, right side, we have to write a smaller number. That is adding. Here, left side writing, then we have to subtract it. The symbols only given. XL. XL means 40. 50 minus 10. XL means XL. 50 minus 10. 40. LX 50 plus 10 60. Okay, these two numbers are not equal, children. Okay, don't think like that. In that one L is there, in that one X is there. Here also same, both numbers are, both letters are equal only have. Don't think like that. Okay, these are so much difference is there. Here XL means 40, next LX means 60. So these are rules for Roman numerals. Next, rule 4. I can be subtracted from V and X. V before we can write I. Next, X before only we can write I. I subtracted from V and X only. Next, X can be subtracted L and C. Before L before X and C before X. X subtracted from only C and L. Next, C can be subtracted only. C can subtracted only from D and M. Before M, we have to write C. Next, before D, we write C. This C subtracted from only C and M and D. Okay, these rules you follow, and these numbers, day 1 Roman numbers and day 2 Roman numbers. This is the expanded form. Like expanded form, you have to write it. Next, day 3. Predecessor, successor. Predecessor means before number, successor means after number. In Roman numerals, what is the before number? What is the after number? Here you complete it. Next, in day 5, greater than and less than, children. Which is the smallest number? Which is the largest numeral? Roman numerals. You write symbols greater than and less than and equal to. Here LX and XL given, that is not equal to. Okay. Next, day 5, children. In day 5, yesterday I explained Vodamas. Okay, that is brackets are in DIPS method: division, multiplication, and addition and subtraction. Next, in day 6, problem solving, mathematical expressions containing brackets. First we have to do in brackets 1. Okay, first we have to do brackets 1. After we have to follow DIPS method only here also. Okay, you don't confuse, children. Here some expressions of simplification given. We have to follow here DIPS method only. But first we have to do in brackets 1. The first brackets 1 do, and after follow the DIPS method. Okay. Next, in day 7. In day 7, what is there? Once you see, children, change the given statements into numeral expressions. Here, inverse given, you have to write in numerical, symbolically. How can we write symbolically? 3 times 7 means 3 times 7 means 3 into 7, like that. Okay. Next, here what given? Examples given. 2 examples given. Next one, what is there? Problem solving. 14 is the number we get by increasing 8 by 6. Okay, 14 is the number we get by increasing 8 by 6. 8 increasing 6 times. 8 increasing 6 times means 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Parne Harshit, wait Nana, I will send pic. First you listen first of all. Don't write first what I am saying, listen. Increasing 8 by 6 means 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Is it correct or not? 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Write like that only. Day 7, I am explaining day 7. Okay. Now I will send pic after I will drop the board. Day 7. First one. 14 equal 8 plus 6. The second one, what is there? 9 times 8 is 72. 9 into 8 equals 72. 9 into 8 equal 72. Next, third one, what is there? 69. 69 subtracted from 4 times 18, children. 4 times 18. 4 times 18 means 4 18s are. 4 18s are 72. 4 18s are 72. You subtracted from that number 69 means 4 into 18 minus 69. We get answer 3 only. That one only. That statement in words, that one only given. We write in numerical. 4 into 18. 4 times 18. 4 times 18. Subtract which number? 69. 69 we subtract from 4 times 18. Then what is the answer? We get answer is 3. Then that one only given. 69 subtracted. 69 subtracted from 4 times 18 is 3. Okay. We have to write in numerical. Did you understand, Amma, this one? Next, fourth one, write your goal. Okay, next. Next in day 8. Okay, this is activity work. Okay, up to day 7 you complete. Okay, wait now. Okay, children, once I will explain day 6 also. Day 6, which one? First one I am going to explain. Day 6. Day 6, first one. 36 divided by 4 into 5 minus 2 plus 6. First in brackets. First in brackets do. 36 divided by 4 into first brackets 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6. Next, you have to follow bits method only. 36 divided by 4, 9. 9 into 3 plus 6. Next one, multiplication. 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 6 equal to 33. Okay. You can do like this only. Up to day 7 only complete, children. In tomorrow class, I will explain day 8. About that one activity work, some taking time. That's why in tomorrow class, I will explain that is activity work. Once you understand, read and understand that one, okay, you can do children. Otherwise, in tomorrow class, I will say. In day 8 and day 9, I will explain in tomorrow class. Now, what is your doubt? Say fast, children, because of we don't have time. Satvik, ready? Unmute yourself.
Teacher, 4,000 means, teacher.
4,000. Up to
Yes.
3,000 only you learn. Up to 1,000 only we want, children. Okay, first in Roman numbers up to 3,000 only you want. These numbers only. We have to use these numbers and we can write these Roman numbers only. Next numbers we cannot say because in not there in mathematicals first. Okay, if it is there in tomorrow class I will say. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Next.
Thank you.
Teacher, math day 7 once again explain, teacher. Third one.
Day 7.
Third one, teacher.
Okay, day 7. Okay. Day 7. Day 7 or day 6, boy? Rutvik, ready? Once unmute yourself. Day 7 or day 6?
Day 7, teacher.
Okay. Third one. Third one. 69 you subtract it. Okay, from which number? 4 times 18. 4 times 18 means 4 18s are 72 boy. 18 4s are 72. 72 minus 69. We get answer 3. That one only given there. 69 subtracted from 4 times. 4 times 18. 4 times 18 means 72. 4 18s are 72. 72 minus 69. We get answer 3. Okay, next. Bhavani. Ask fast, ma.
Teacher, second one explain, teacher. Day 7. Day 7.
Day 7, second one. Day 7, second one, this one only girl. 9 times 8. 9 into 8 is 72. I written that one only. What is the doubt first of all? 9 8 is 72. 9 8 is Sana. Ask ma. Ask fast.
Teacher, please explain day 6. Second one, teacher.
Okay. Okay, ma. Day 6, second one. Okay, listen fast, children. Already time is completed. Listen carefully. 39, 9 minus 8 plus 6 minus 5. First, you have to do bracket ones first. Bracket. Here, third one. Sorry, second one. Here in brackets, first brackets 1 6 minus 5. 39 minus 9 minus 8 plus 6 minus 5. 1. Right one. Next one, brackets one, complete. 39 minus 9 minus 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 39 minus 0, 39. 39 is answer. You do like that only. First in brackets one do. Okay? Up to day 7 you complete, children, in worksheet. Then if you have any doubt, you personally you call me. Okay, Satvik, you also. Dulam Satvik, if you have any doubt, you call me, boy. Then I will clarify your doubts. Okay? Our time is completed. Okay, children, I hope you understand this class. Okay, thank you everyone.